Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage ANC on your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. At the first line we have noise cancellation control. You tap at this line, and right here this is these three first lines. This is for ANC. Now let me put it to my ears and we can control it. So by default, if you use gestures, it enable high noise cancellation level, and you can change it to minimum or to low. It's up to you, but just tap at the best one for you. But if you don't want to use an application and you don't like to use high noise cancellation level, you can right here go back, and from the main menu go to the settings and then control settings. So by default it used press and hold on the left and right earbuds, and as you can see it's set to swap to the high noise cancellation, so we can change it. And let's say you want a medium, so you tap at the high and then to the medium. Now when we using gestures, we will swap to medium noise cancellation. And also, if you did it, you need to change it for the right earbud. If you use a default gestures, so you need to also scroll down here and change. Oh no, actually we don't need to change it, it changed automatically. Now let's check it with the low. If I change it with my right earbud on the low and return to the left one, yeah, it changed automatically. Okay, so you need to only change it one time and then you will use it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!